This is the den at Greengate Farms. We're doing 3 new geothermal systems. This is the 5-ton system. We're going to go new ductwork all the way up to the trunk lines. New air cleaner. We're going to cut the PVC back as far as we can, about up to those joints right there, and put a cap on it. Just stick a cap on there, not glued. We're going to take the gas line all the way back to the manifold, cap that off. Flow center, it's going to mount to the return and just tie into the side there. On the 3-ton, we're going to have to cut this duct from the inside, cut a big hole in the bottom and cut it from the inside up to where we need it. And then the flow center can mount on this wall over here and then run into the side. I'm going to make a plenum to tie into that joint right there. The new unit's going to be about flush with this side of the ductwork. The return, we're basically just going to cut it up, cap it, and it'll come right over into the unit. Same thing with the PVC, we'll cut it back as far as we can and cap it. Same thing with the line sets. That's all going away. We'll get them all the way over to the wall and cut them off. Probably mortar those holes shut. This is a 4-ton system. We're gonna take the return up to this joint right here. Basically the air cleaner will start just below that joint, and we need to kind of clean this up. The humidifier was sweating. They got major humidity down here. It was sweating and dripping down onto that duct, but you can see there's a huge transition that goes back in there that we're not really going to be able to get to, so we're just going to kind of patch that, make it look good. We're going to face the unit out toward us this time. It's facing over this way now. This one has a zone system. We're just going to tie back into that. But the new unit will face out. New drop tying in right here. And the supply will go straight up into the trunk line up there. These 2 systems will get a de-superheater, and it's going to run up through these joists over into another room where the tank's going to go. And then on electric, we're going to need 7 spots. We're taking out 3 air conditioners, so that's going to open up 3 spots over here. We're going to have to put 4 minis in here to open up 4 additional spots in here. And then we have 3 spots open here that we're going to use. And it's a square D QO panel. Then there's a dehumidifier that's going to go in. They're going to cut this whole wall off and header it off and give us this spot down here. We're going to end up pulling the return from the basement wall back behind this dresser for the inlet of the dehumidifier, and then we're going to come up and tie into this trunk line, probably like the bottom of the trunk line right here, and shoot over into that wall and down back to the dehumidifier. And that's about it.